I'm Matt, CNR Supply. With cold weather ahead, we wanted to go over a few winterizing tips. Here we have a 2-inch poly transfer pump. With these units, you're going to want to pull this bottom plug out, let the water drain completely. Do not put this plug back in until you're in warmer weather. We have the cast 13 horse John Blue pump. Same type of system, but you're going to use a 3/8 drive on the base of that pump. Let that drain completely. Storage tanks over the winter. If you have any of them that are sitting empty, leave the valve half cracked. If you leave it open or closed, there is a potential of water being trapped inside the housing and cracking. And last but not least, anybody that's ever had a sprayer or a strainer on the farm, make sure you empty these bowls out completely before putting them back in. Water likes to sit in there and cause nothing but trouble there. If you have any other questions, don't be afraid to call us, 605-338-7210. We'd be more than happy to help you with anything you're working on before winter here.